Sexual health is at the forefront of practically every guy's mind. No matter how well your life is going, if your sex life isn't satisfying, you're still probably frustrated. An active sex life is one of the keys to maintaining elevated self-perception and maintaining a sense of manhood and masculinity. There are millions of men all over the country that struggle and suffer from a low sex drive and sexual dysfunction. While it's true that issues such as low T and circulatory problems play a significant role in erectile dysfunction and diminished sex drive, there are also a variety of steps that you can take to vastly improve your sexual drive and potency. There are many lifestyle and diet factors that contribute to sexual malfunction. While listening to this list, think about what you could do to improve your reproductive health. Also, recognize that by controlling these factors, you can enhance your life in a variety of other ways. There's nothing more distracting than stress. Chronic stress impairs your ability to focus on the things that give you pleasure and leave you stuck in a rut of anxiety. Chronic stress also contributes to testosterone deficiency and low libido, because it leads to the production of a catabolic hormone known as cortisol. Cortisol is useful for helping us cope with and manage stressful situations, but chronic stress causes hormone balance to fall out of whack. When the body produces too much cortisol, it also releases less testosterone. This is both terrible for your health and for your sex drive. Our bodies require sleep to function. Not only do we need sleep, but we need regular, refreshing sleep. Most adults require between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night. If you don't get enough rest, or if you have underlying issues which hinder your sleep quality, this directly suppresses testosterone production, as well as the secretion of human growth hormone. Conditions like sleep apnea have a significant effect on testosterone production and can contribute to sexual dysfunction. Maintaining healthy cholesterol levels is vital for protecting the cardiovascular system, but the same drugs that treat cholesterol imbalance also mess with your testosterone levels, sadly. Cholesterol is essential because it is a building block for a variety of the body's hormones, including testosterone. What's critical is getting plenty of HDL cholesterol in your diet while limiting LDL cholesterol. Statins are a drug that patients with high cholesterol get put on. Though the medicines work very well, they are not without their issues. Clinical research has shown that using statins for cholesterol has a definite negative impact on testosterone production, primarily because, as mentioned, cholesterol is necessary for the production of testosterone. Aromatization is a word that represents the mechanism by which testosterone is converted into estrogen by the male body. In guys, estrogen is produced both by the liver and by fat cells. Certain conditions, such as obesity and lifestyle choices, such as excess alcohol consumption, cause men to convert an excessive amount of testosterone into estrogen, depleting reserves of free testosterone and contributing to sexual malfunction. There are drugs available that can curb this process, known as aromatase inhibitors. One of the most commonly prescribed of these drugs is Arimidex. There are also many foods that can be used to control and downregulate this process, including red ginger, turmeric, green or black tea, licorice, and grapes. Exercise is an absolute boon for health and vitality, and those benefits extend profoundly into the realm of sexual desire and function. Both weightlifting and cardiovascular training have a positive effect on testosterone production. Regular exercise, which works the muscles and sufficiently increases heart rate, can boost testosterone levels in the bloodstream by 2.5 times. We recommend weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, for the best testosterone boosting results. Of all the nutrients that your body needs to get by day to day, few are as intrinsically crucial to libido and testosterone as zinc. The process of testosterone production is directly affected by existing zinc supplies in the bloodstream. If you are suffering from zinc deficiency, this strangles your body's ability to produce enough of the hormone. If you feel that zinc deficiency may be an issue, which is impairing your wellness and sexual health, we recommend taking a 30 milligram zinc supplement manufactured by a trustworthy supplier. The hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis is the interplay of hormonal interactions that lead to the production of testosterone and other interconnected hormones, including testosterone precursors such as follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Elevated aromatase activity is an example of an HPG axis problem that affects testosterone production, as is high cortisol from excess stress. There are some supplements and herbs that can be used to help maintain HPG stability and normalized function, such as velvet bean, holy basil, ginseng, cordyceps, and ashwagandha. Also, HRT specialists can help you determine if you are suffering from any forms of hormone imbalance or deficiency that can be controlled and treated. The adrenal glands not only produce their own supply of testosterone, but are also vitally essential for the production of a testosterone secretagogue, known as DHEA. Without sufficient DHEA, the body can't produce enough testosterone. Supplemental DHEA is available, and there is promising research that shows that it can be highly beneficial for enhancing testosterone production, primarily when used in conjunction with vigorous exercise. In one particularly compelling piece of research, combining a 50 milligram DHEA supplement increased the testosterone-enhancing benefits of high-intensity interval training by 200%. Along with zinc, magnesium is a second inorganic mineral, which is necessary for healthy testosterone levels. Multiple studies have shown that magnesium supplements have a positive impact on testosterone synthesis, both when combined with vigorous physical activity and when used with no changes in lifestyle. Of course, combining exercise designed to stimulate testosterone with proper supplementation leads to the best results. The rule of thumb for magnesium supplements is that you should take 10 milligrams for every kilogram that you weigh to stimulate amplified testosterone production and overall improved physiological function. One of the most significant contributors to obesity today was the commonly held belief that dietary fat contributes to obesity. Today, the medical literature clearly shows that processed sugars and carbohydrates are the most significant nutritional factors for obesity. But fat still gets a bad rap. Smart consumption of unsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, combined with the restriction of unhealthy fats such as saturated fat and trans fats, is healthy for the body and also promotes normalized testosterone production. That's because fat is a necessary ingredient for the production of testosterone and other essential hormones. In one case, research has shown that after 2 months of a low-fat diet, free and total testosterone in the bloodstream drops an average of 12%. Vitamin D deficiency has a vicious impact on sex drive and testosterone production. It's essential to get sufficient sunlight every day to promote the natural production of testosterone or find a supplementary source of the vitamin that you can trust. For men suffering from vitamin D deficiency, a good supplement can directly contribute to a 25% increase in testosterone. Antioxidants are a vital aspect of good health, but it's common not to get enough antioxidants through diet alone, especially when people rely on processed foods for too much of their daily nutrition. Antioxidants shield the body from free radicals, which have adverse effects on human health, down to the genetic level. Antioxidants help preserve the delicate mechanisms which promote testosterone production and maintain sexual desire and potency. One antioxidant found in tea, known as EGCG, has shown some impressive benefits regarding testosterone production and testicular function. If you found this video informative, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. To learn more about health and wellness regarding testosterone replacement therapy, please click the link below in the description.